Alright, let's see. So next on the list now is let's see, assign this to one of my members maybe. So look at status. So let's push this to dev. And then I guess I should have some assignments so we could have here select multiple members for a list, or maybe I should do agenda first. So maybe I should do it for agenda first, so we can actually assign member. And so I guess owner should be like just members. I don't know. It's a good question. I'm not sure. So I could do like checkboxes, because I don't know, you won't have like 1 million family members. So I'll change this. Let's see, make log project, send multiple members to a list to an event, like that. Okay, so I'll do that first. Now I'll have to do assign multiple family members to an event, and I'll add that to in progress, and add multiple members to an event, like that. So I'll probably have to create like a pivot table for this. Let's have a quick look. SQL. So let's shape tables. So agenda users, I guess. Let's see. So we'll have to create, which will have like agenda ID, user ID, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so we'll do artisan module make migration. Migration, create agenda user table in app, I think. because it has to come in like alphabetic order or something like that. Okay, let's look at this agenda. So we take these away and we do table integer agenda ID and sign table integer user ID unsigned foreign agenda ID references ID agendas cascade table foreign user ID references ID on users. Hey there, viewer. How's it going? Cascade. Then we need to drop the foreign keys first. So Schema table user. Oops. User. Foreign. So let's see. That's fine. And then we go to the view for agenda. Form. Attendees. Alright. See, I might keep this. I'm not sure yet. Is it attendees? Yeah, attendees. So that will be father, and then let's do name is number or something like that. Number ID. And this is probably gonna break because of this strange thing with yeah. So which one is it? That's the last one here. Father. Okay, so I'll have to do label. Guess we can condition here. So if because we don't want to like pre-select the the person who created it doesn't have to be an attendee, because I mean I can create an event for one of my kids and I don't necessarily have to attend the actual event. So yeah, family members. So if I don't know, I'm not sure how to do this yet. I need to first actually. So artisan module migrate. There we go. Agenda user, which means when we save this now, let's see, agenda. Let's do an. We need to set up a relation here. Let's see, agenda. Public function attendees. Return. Oops. Return this as many. Oh, this song is awesome. Hey there, Fates. How's it going? Alright, let's have a look at this. So we have a user, we have, wait, what? Many too many. Belongs to many. So the user belongs to many. User, okay. Belongs to many, and then user class. Oh shit, that's bad. Let me have a let me have a look at that. Let's see if there's. Okay, I'm gonna increase it now. So you probably want to like lower your volume first. Sorry. I hope I didn't break your ears doing that. Yeah, I can see there's a huge difference in the responsive of the mic now. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, just email me the medical bill for your broken eardrums or whatever. I'm working on a application called FamSync, which you can see here. It's an application to organize and synchronize families, where you can like have all the shared to-dos and shopping lists, event lists, and then there's like tons of other features that will come later on. I have this public development tracker. I can actually share you the link for it. Let's see. So I do all my development in public, streaming the development, having the development tracker shared, allowing people to send feedback through, see. So anyone can send feedbacks through this chat feature on the application. So basically right now I'm just doing improvements, allowing multiple attendees on events, but new features that will come is like, or at least I'm thinking about them, is GPS locations for family members, video chat features, and then add private messages between family members, and yeah, you can see all of the stuff on the link that I shared. So I guess it's now like 4 or 5 weeks since I started this project, so it's been having a pretty decent progress. Right, let's see. I will have to do like a synchronize on this this controller agenda. Let's see here, store, and then I have to do agenda. Let's see. And then I have to, let's see. Yeah. So let's see, users, and then sync. Yeah, user roles, agenda, attendees. Let's see. Sync. Yeah. Okay. Vill du vita eller beige? Du kan ta bägge två så vi bestämmer det sen. Ja, jag får vaska mig. Alright. These, I think I will say request input or input. I'll do. Yeah, what's the project? So let's do mother and daughter. So it's daughter. Oh, really? Daughter day. Let's go. Yeah, that's actually, I need to, let's say, on hold. Allocation to event increment. Let's go. Alright, so that's fine. I'm trying to say user field is required. Crap. That's no, it should not be required. It should be automatically set. So the agenda create user ID. Take that away and go back here, and then we'd set input user ID equals the person who actually creates it. This user ID. Oh, nice. That's really cool. So what's your language of choice? Alright, so attendees is not a part of it, which is very strange. That means I messed something up in the form. Input type checkbox, name, attendees. Apparently I'm doing something strange here or something. So token and date and hour and minute. Alright, let's request input. Oh, that's cool. I've actually always wanted to learn stuff like C, C++, but I could never wrap my head around like the memory stuff. Input. So there we go. Attendees is here. So 2 and 4. Then we need to set attendees equals array keys from input attendees, and it runs at input attendees. But I did manage to do like, well, I didn't manage to write C code, but I managed to break it, like do buffer overflows and format string exploitations and stuff like that when I was doing a lot of offensive security stuff. That's really cool. It's like I love like the progression, like when you're learning new stuff. I find that like super rewarding. I guess that's why we're doing development. Okay, agenda sync. Alright, let's see how this goes. It's probably gonna explode, I don't know. Okay, so it looks correct for now. Now let's do select star from agenda user. Oh, are you select star from, alright, select ID and title from agenda. No. Agendas. Oh, it's actually working. Yeah. Now's the question. When I edit this, okay, so I need to build those colors in the agenda index from something else. I need to, let's see here. Right, so for each event, attendees as attendee. Oops. And for each attendee color and attendee. Now this color right here should change and it should become 2 of them. Ah, yes! It's actually working. Woo! Ha! That is awesome. Now let's see. Now I need to see how to check if a user is in that when displaying the form, so that we can actually check if so if member ID, that's it, Laravel, check if ID is yeah, it's really a great feeling. Check if ID is in many to many relation or something like that. Check if belongs to many relation exists. So client products contains where no. If products contains product, no. That's not what I want. I want to see. It has to be something. It has to be easier than that. Just check if a model exists. Check if event is here trying to make classes self-contained, so all I gotta do is call them in update and then call the sprite and draw. That's been a challenge. So I guess this is something for, like, I don't know, moving a character or something like that. The thing about the class is self-contained. I've never done any like game development or worked with sprites and stuff like that, so it's kind of above my head. See, we're in the same world, but in two different parts of it, which is really interesting. So item event attendees. Now let's have a look at. Okay, so items attendees has 1 or something. I don't know. Has 2. Oops. False. 3. 0. See, that's wrong because that's not the user ID. If attendees in no. And the player's collision checks, key checks, etc. inside their class. That way, if something breaks, I know where to look. Also, oh yeah, see, yeah, that's definitely a really good way to do it. My question now is that actually doing an extra, let's tailf lib MySQL, no, more log MySQL query log. Let's have a look at the query log to see if there's I need to make this wider. Let's see, agenda users. So my query is, it's looking for 3. Yeah. Select user's agenda as pivot agenda ID. Oh wow, that's really neat. Having the code like that, it does make it a lot more maintainable. I need to make my own code more maintainable, but it's yeah, later. Right, so agenda user, select user star agenda user agenda ID as pivot agenda user ID as pivot user ID. So if I now try to change this to 1 and then update. Alright, so it's it looks like it's actually not querying and one more extra time. So I could probably do something like let's see here on the form. So if yeah, I definitely know that feeling. Attendees find member ID something like that, then checked, otherwise nothing. Let's see, so mother, daughter, and then I can change the whole event to be Father Sunday, school, save. Yeah, of course, because I haven't fixed the agenda update request. Wait, what? And define, oh yeah, of course, agenda controller. So I need to set event. No, I have to set input. No, wait. I don't want to do that. So, because it doesn't really matter. But I want to do these equals input attendees and unset the input attendees because we don't want that submitted, and then event attendees, let's see, update, create attendees, sync attendees. Yeah, exactly. Incorrect integer value, so y, invalid date time, incorrect. Wait, what? For user ID? Why the hell? Invalid date time format, value on. Oh, right, yeah. So it's array keys. Now Father Sunday, and it should be father and son. Yay! That's great. And then we can do so those changes, and we create mother daughter day at school, and then do like this, save. We see the different, and then it's something for the whole family. Save. Now everyone is displayed. And how does this look on phone? It looks like shit. I was afraid of that. Graphics library I'm using. Not in 2 weeks. Well, actually, maybe you could make like I don't know, like a small website for that. Yay! Thanks. Now it's only the third part, the mobile view, because that looks like crap. Maybe for the book thing, you could actually make like a static website or something, where you could sort of point out all the mistakes. That would be really, really helpful for other people that is trying to learn the same thing, and then you could like provide them with your fixes for it. Alright, let's have a look at this. It has to be the index then. So it's pulled right. I'll do like daily class columns or something, and then no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Or I could maybe do it, but let's see. I could actually do it as a column thing. I think as columns. this. Oh no, not like that. Why is that moving down? That's strange. See, this looks really, really bad. This mobile or something. That actually looked a lot better. But how can I get this to actually behave like that on... No, I have to do the... I would actually consider doing that website thing for the mistakes, because it would also promote your knowledge as a developer. Hey. Yeah. Varsågod. So I would like... I'm not sure how exactly I'm gonna do this. 6. Yeah, exactly. But I do understand the pain of going over that. Alright, so now I know why this is not working, and obviously it's not gonna work. And was like a major brain fart. Also, this is why this. So why is this? Oh yeah, it's because that. So I'm gonna pull this back out here. Take this away. We can move this another up like that. See, front end is not my strong suit. It's like way, way, way outside my comfort zone. But actually, I don't understand why this is happening, because this should have like, I don't know. I don't know. Huh. I need this to be pushed underneath. That, I honestly hope you didn't pay too much for that book, because well, it's actually, it did give you a lot of self taught knowledge. So sort of, even though the book was crap and you paid for it, it's you wouldn't have learned those things probably this way when you if you hadn't used that book as a reference. Okay, let's try this again. Div class. Columns. all of this has to be in the first column, and then the next column should be like taken underneath. So, oh, at least it should. But it could be something related to the pulled right thing I have going on here. So let's try and just remove that. No? I don't understand that. Why is this being set underneath it? So let's have a look at so we have, wait, what? Div class columns, but why is, okay, this I just, oh, now I'm missing a div here. Okay, so now it looks better, but it's still looking strange, yeah, because I have to use the is gapless. But this shouldn't be underneath this. Yeah. I'll be right back. Yo, look at this. A lot of viewers. What's cracking, guys? If I didn't get the book cheap just to see what it was like, I would. Let's see. See, exactly. But still, I think there should be like I don't know. Yeah, I understand the pain of going back on that code, but it would be really interesting to see. Like, I love, like, when you have like references to books and how to do whatever they suggest in a better way or stuff like that. Alright, now let's look. See, now this looks like shit. So as is right. This looks even worse. Alright, so what if I do has text right? Alright, so that looks not good either. I mean, that gives me an indication that this is not actually being stretched the whole way. So do class, and then yeah, exactly. Is full with. I eat a bus. Alright, let's see. Just add a style and then with 100% should probably help a bit. Yeah. Now let's see. This looks correct, but this looks wrong. Why is that? Oh yeah, it's why is flex. Maybe no. Alright, so this, maybe I should do it on this then. If I take the flex grow away from this, didn't help at all. Why? See, this is like, I see stuff and it just confuses me. Like, I don't understand some of the behavior on this. So this is now, okay, so make this a span then. Hey! See? It works. Now, if I change this to mobile view again, yeah. Basically, I need this to be on left. If it's not, actually, I would like to have like two different views, one on mobile and one on desktop, and where, thanks, but I would like to have on mobile, I would like to have like the title on top, and then underneath it I would like to have the time and the colors, so sort of free it up more. I could like make two different views, one that is displayed on mobile and one that is displayed on desktop, or one that is displayed on touch, that is. So this would be whatever is displayed on desktop, and then alright, so let's just give that a try. Is hidden touch. Now I do this and it disappears. Is hidden desktop. So then I can switch things around, like move this here and move this inside here. this. So now if I do this, it will looks like that. It's just one step closer to what I want. And I'll see what happens if I do this. Okay, so that's fine. Hey, 6 viewers. How's it going, guys? Now let's see what happens if I do an iPad. Yeah, because an iPad should be able to... Alright, so it has to be a hidden mobile and not touch. So it's hidden tablet and hidden mobile. Why is that? Because this is a tablet. It's hidden. Wow, why is this? Is hidden mobile? Mobile? This is really strange. Oops. Shown mobile? I don't know. Oh shit. Damn it. I managed to refresh the chat screen. Why? So, is hidden on tablet. Last time I checked, an iPad is considered a tablet. You know what? Actually, I think I want these underneath all the time. So let's do this a bit different. So let's is desktop mobile whatever touch. I don't know why are you not breaking down? Let's look at the phone. Yeah, this way. So let's remove this whole thing. I guess I need to have this. Because it's gapless, I have to add some margin 2 pixels, something like that, and then remove this. Maybe I could have like the text and the first name. Maybe. but not now because I have to figure out some color stuff. See, now this looks a lot better right away. I don't know, let's have a look at some styling for it. And actually we can do that's fine. And just break it like that. Or not. That's interesting. Why aren't you going underneath? I mean, you do have a break here. What? It was super strange. Okay, maybe if I do like a div around this. Div. Or not. Class is, I don't know, flex. Why? I mean, it shouldn't be that hard to get something to wrap underneath something else. Is it this? Nope. This is super strange. Why are you not doing that? You should be wrapping underneath. Display block. What if this? Oh, okay. So I'll take this away. And then style display block. No? Well, why did it did work when I sort of did. Block. Live 100%. And why are you not pushing it below? This is super strange. It's like, is it because of this? Yeah, it is. It's completely messed up. Alright, well, let's take this away.
Jeg har endret passord og prøvd det nye passordet, men allikevel får jeg feil.
Altså. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out something on my girlfriend's phone. Så. Faktisk. Det vet jeg ikke. Kom igjen da. Jeg tar så... Du har gjort endringer. Jeg har ikke gjort noen endringer. Ja, sikkert. Lagre. Du gjorde ingen endringer. Skal vi se. Sånn.
Jeg klarte det.
Jeg byttet passord. Alright, let's see. So now I managed to get these underneath here, and then it looks like this, and this. Yeah, this looks a lot better, at least for a first iteration. So actually I can consider this. Femsifra nummer 02800.
Er ikke ringt det?
Jo.
Hva da?
Purken.
Oi, ja, stemmer. Wow.
Yes da.
Var det på regningen?
Femsifra nummer er dyrere enn vanlig takst.
Vi pratet jo mer om en stund da.
Jeg gjorde det.
Så egentlig så var det ikke så dyrt lite.
Nei, altså det er ikke dyrt, men det er dyrere enn vanlig. Now let's see how it looks on the dashboard. Now we need to modify this. And then when I'm done modifying that, I have to run because I have to go to the mall and get some Christmas stuff done and get some food. Now let's see. This means that I have to change the updater in the app controller because it has to provide the attendees instead of the users or the user relation, and I have to go to, let's see, I have to go to the dashboard and see, change this to div class or div ID. No. This is really wrong because it clones it and then turn that in the title. See, this is bad because I'm actually getting multiple IDs, like duplicate IDs because of this. So I should probably start changing that now. So let's start with the attendees. Agenda, event, attendees, and then span, class, agenda, attendee, color, is blue right, So we do like this, div class agenda events, and I have to look at the master. Here, go to update message board, update shopping list, to-do list, agenda. So I have to get item, find, agenda, event, attendees, very cool, yep. For each, I think, let's try and do no, well, something like that, console log L. Now let's look at the console log, undefined, agenda event. Probably like this then. No. This is going to be very interesting. Deferred exception cannot read properly color of undefined. Yeah, I know. I am aware of that. So this, see here. Alright, so for each is not a function. Alright, so each then maybe. Yeah. Woohoo! What function foo console log foo is that? I don't know. So it's just 0. Agenda event attendees, and I want the first children or something. Yay. Haha. So that means okay. Okay, so alright. So I actually have to iterate over console log foo, I don't know. No, that's 0. So for each function I have to then take the first child. Alright. Yeah, console log this. But why is it coming 3 times? This is really strange because it's supposed to only come 1. I can try and do something like this. Oh yeah, I'm like super retarded right now. Let's see, because it comes 3 times because I have 3 events. It's like, I'm really that dumb. Class, agenda attendee color, and then in the master I have to iterate. So console log data I attendees. See, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So for var x equals 0, slower than data I attendees len. And yeah, I know my front-end JavaScript, everything front sucks. So if anyone who's watching has good suggestion then on how to make it cleaner, then feel free to let me know. 9x plus so then we do this, oops, this and to insert every element in the set of matched elements to the end of the target. Perfect. No append. Alright, so let's just do color tag element equals something like this, and then tag element attribute style background color is equal to let's do these wart equals I attendees. So like that, I think that's cleaner. And var attendee equals attendee I. I'm sorry about this. It probably looks like utter shit. And then do tag element append to this. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see how this works. Yeah, unexpected identifier. So let's have a look at that. Why is that? Where's what? Why is that unexpected identifier? What is the unexpected identifier? Is it because I have HTML inside here? Alright, let's just try and do like this then. No. Oh, typo. Okay, so now one is missing. Why is it missing? Cannot be properly length of undefined. Length of undefined. Oh. But why is it not being displayed? Div class contact. Wait, what? Alright, let's let's refresh, disable JavaScript. No, okay, that's not gonna work. Inspect. What? Oh, here we go. Here's something. Agenda list. I really wish I could just stop this. Why do I have contact role because of that? So this is really annoying. Attendees, and it's only showing that single one. Append to. Alright, so let's do this. What is this? Console log this. Console log. No? Nothing? Alright, so this equals this whole thingy. And then we want to append something to that. Now how would we do that? This is very strange. Attendee, so we do console do foo on this one just to see. Okay, so it's not actually going inside here. No, nothing. Console log. Var x 0 x. These x. Oh, really? Tile and to this, maybe. Property 0. Why not console log attendees? Yeah, attendees. So color of undefined. Console log attendee. So you have color. Color on every single one of them, and it's still complaining that it can't read undefined. So, color. This is really strange. Deferred exception cannot be property. Well, I understand that you can't read property color from undefined, but it's not freaking undefined. Debugging in JavaScript for me is like, I don't know, it's very Oh, damn it, I see why. Because I keep using the I instead of the X. But it's still not doing like, it's not displaying this tag. Oh. Well, I'm like, now I'm starting to scare myself how stupid I am. See? Works. Well, it's displayed, but it looks like shit, but at least it works. Style, flex, grow 1. And then class is flex. And then we do, actually I can just take this whole thing away and add that here because I'm adding it directly, and then say style equals, we can probably do, add that here, margin right 2 pixels. Oh, that's not being cleared. So when it updates now, yeah. Let's do this clear first, maybe. No, empty. Sorry, empty. Okay, so now it's hopefully. It looks like it's working now. Let's look at the network. Let's see when the updater runs. Yeah, now it works. So if I now go and update agenda in another window, take away this, or like, let's do only father and mother. This should change to only 2 colors on the food bar. Yeah, that's perfect. Yay! That means I can now go and get ready to head out for the mall. That was quite a, let's do git add, because all of this is for the same thing. Yeah. The events have multiple attendees, and that is linked to a task. So let's do fandev, and then this will be 5. Just forgotten to make like fandev 6 for indication, so fandev 7. I like to have possibility to reference. And 5. Git push like that, and I go here. Bam! It's been a pretty productive day so far. Look at this. What is this? Wow. I can't tweet it because it's too long, I guess. Alright. Alright. To anyone who's looking now, I have to run. So, but I'll be back on later. Killing more tasks.